Welcome, students. Welcome to my next video. Chapter number 10, History, Standard 9th, Changing Life, Part 2. As we all know, in the previous video, Changing Life Part 1, we have seen what drastic changes that have occurred in our life, right from the institution of family towards our profession also. There are a lot of changes have occurred. We have seen in the previous lesson. Now in this lesson we are going to see that in the post-independence period, after we got independence, how our life has changed. What are the changes that occurred in our life and how these changes have affected our life. Yes, my dear students, before I go on with the details, I request you, my dear students, after watching the video, you please like it, subscribe it, and also share it with others, so that others could also benefit with this video. हाँ मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आपका स्वागत है। हम इसके पहले वाले पार्ट में देखा कि हमारे जीवन में अनेक परिवर्तन आया है। हमारे परिवारों में परिवर्तन आया है, हमारे खान पान में, हमारे जिंदगी जीने का ढंग जो है टोटल बदल गया है। हम देखेंगे हमारा परिवार पहले जो बड़ा परिवार था, अब वो एकदम छोटा परिवार में परिवर्तन आ गया। जो जिस तरह का हम परिवार में प्यार हुआ करता था, वो प्यार अभी उस परिवार में है ही नहीं। क्यों? मैं हूं, मेरी पत्नी है और मेरा बच्चा। पहले हमारे दादा दादी, हमारे माता पिता को मान सम्मान दिया जाता था, उन्हें उनकी देखभाल की जाती थी। लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ? जैसे ही बच्चा बड़ा हो जाता है, उसे किसी वृद्धाश्रम में छोड़ा जाता है और महीने महीने पैसा भिजवाते हैं, ये बोलकर कि भाई मेरे माता पिता को कुछ कमी ना हो, उनका देखभाल करें। कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो हमारे उनके माता पिता को बेघर करते हैं, उन्हें रास्ते में लाते हैं, उन्हें मरने के लिए छोड़ देते हैं। हाँ मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये एक सच्चाई है। अभी हम देखेंगे ये परिवर्तन आया क्यों। जो अपने माता पिता को नहीं देख पाता, जो अपने बच्चों पर ध्यान नहीं दे सकता, जब बच्चा गलत रास्ता चला जाता है, वो बोलता है मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि मेरा बच्चा गलत जा रहा है, ये जिम्मेदारी उसकी मां की थी। मैं केवल कमाऊंगा, मैं रात भर ऑफिस में रहूंगा, रात को आऊंगा, खाना खाऊंगा, सो जाऊंगा, सुबह उठूंगा, फिर से ऑफिस जाऊंगा, ये मेरा काम है। ऐसा एक परिवर्तन हमारे परिवार में आया है। ये सब हम देखेंगे कि ये ऐसा परिवर्तन आया क्यों, वृद्धों को वृद्धाश्रम में क्यों छोड़ा, पहले जैसा प्यार क्यों नहीं रहा माता पिता के लिए, बच्चों में, परिवार में पति और पत्नी के बीच में प्यार क्यों नहीं है, ये भी हम देखेंगे इस पाठ में। ये ऐसा परिवर्तन आया क्यों, इस पाठ में हम देखेंगे। आइए, we will see various languages, sports, theater and films, newspapers and televisions. These are the main content in this lesson. Now, as we know that language is one medium through which we communicate with people. We talk with others. Now, language is not a barrier. As we all know, in Parliament, you can give speech. There is a translator, and you can speak in your own mother tongue. You can speak in Telugu, you can speak in Tamil, you can speak in Malayalam, you can speak in any language. So language is not a barrier. Yes, my dear students. Now, as we all know, there are various languages which are there in India. Hindi, which is our national language. Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Marathi, Odisha, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Konkani, Manipuri, Nepali, Sindhi are the official languages in India. Timely step taken to nurture them has made this language alive, and it is part of our heritage. Nevertheless, we can see Hindi, which has reached everywhere through the medium of Hindi movies and has served as a unit or unity to the country by the language Hindi. English language, as we all know, English language is a global language. Right from 1990, when we Indians adopted globalization, we underwent the process of globalization, English became part of our language. As we all know, English is becoming a language of livelihood. Without English, you will not get a job, as it has opened doors to multiple job opportunities. Moreover, Indians are at the forefront in learning English. However, it is necessary to ensure that this process does not endanger the very existence of regional language. Now, I would like to give an example. I was just speaking to my friend who came from America, and his children only knew English with American accent. Then when I asked him, does your children know Malayalam, the mother tongue? They said no. They only know English. See? It is endangering our regional language As we all know, English is a universal language. But we should also protect our regional languages. English should not be taken over, or it should not be taken over by our mother tongue. English, yeah, you require for your livelihood and for your job opportunity. Sports. During the pre-independence period, there were few games which were known to people like Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, Malkhamb. Some sportsmen changed the situation, both of the sports and the sports person. I would like to mention the example of Geet Sethi, who achieved global excellence in snooker. Snooker was not very well known among the teenagers and the youths. But after when Geet Sethi has achieved success, he went on to win national and international championship. At the global level, he won the amateur billiards competition thrice, professional, won 5 times. His success made the game popular, and the newspapers began to report about billiards, which was not very well known in India. Thus, he made a new field available for the rising sportsmen in India. हाँ मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, हम लोग देखेंगे कि खेल-कूद के मैदान में हमें खेल-कूद बहुत जानकारी बहुत कम है. हम खो-खो, कबड्डी, ये सब खेल हम जानते हैं, लेकिन बिलियर्ड्स ये ऐसा खेल है जो हमारे देश में हम जानते ही नहीं थे. गीत सेठी जी उन्होंने बिलियर्ड्स में बहुत से उन्होंने ख्याति बनाई, और ये बिलियर्ड्स ये जो खेल हमारे देश में वो बढ़ गया. Since 1983, India won the World Cup for cricket under the captainship of Mr. Kapil Dev. It was a historic victory. Cricket instantly won popularity among our country. In the same year, Sunil Gavaskar broke the earlier record of maximum centuries in the Test cricket. In 1985, Indians won Benson and Hedges Cup. As a result, cricket came to be played in all states, and people started loving this game. Few movies were produced around the theme of cricket. MS Dhoni, Azharuddin. Now there is one more film which is going to be released, 83, which speaks about our World Cup, how we have won the World Cup. It is the autobiography of Mr. Kapil Dev. Live telecast of 5-day match or 1-day matches are now available. Now we have made a lot of progress in cricket. Nowadays we are not interested in 5 days match or test matches or 1-day matches. Nowadays we are now familiar with 2020 and the county crickets, IPL. Nowadays we are famous for that. See, the time has changed. What was there in 1983, what was there in 1985, the time has changed. Now from there Now it has come to 2020. Now people don't have a time. They can wait over there till 20 overs and quick results. हम लोग देखेंगे खेल कूद के मैदान में हमारे क्रिकेटर लोग बहुत नाम कमाए. हमने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, विश्व कप. हमारे कप्तान थे श्री कपिल देव जी. उसके बाद हमने बेंसन एंड हेजेस कप जीते. और इस तरह क्रिकेट जो है बहुत महान बन गया हमारे देश में. हम टेस्ट मैच और एक दिवसीय क्रिकेट हम देखते हैं. अब ये सब बदल गया है. अब ये एक दिवसीय क्रिकेट या टेस्ट मैच पर लोगों का ध्यान नहीं होता है. अभी है 2020. केवल और 20 ओवर में खेलना है और आपको रिजल्ट पाना है. India has been participated in Asiad and Olympic Games. At the Olympic in the year 2000, Karnam Malleshwari won the medal for weightlifting. She was the first Indian woman who has taken a medal at Olympics. The Indian representation began to rise in various Olympic games like hockey, badminton, tennis, swimming, weightlifting and archery. Now we will see the most important thing that has changed our life. हाँ मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, हमारा जीवन में बहुत ही परिवर्तन आया है. क्यों? क्योंकि हम फिल्म देखते हैं, पिक्चर देखते हैं. हमें टेंशन हो, हमारे परिवार में कोई प्रश्न हो, हमारे जिंदगी में कोई विपदा आए, तो हम क्या करते हैं? हमारा टेंशन दूर करने के लिए हम थिएटर में जाके बैठ जाते हैं, फिल्म देखते हैं. Yes, my dear students, we can see theater and film is part of our life. We see our life in these films. As we all know, when we are stressed out, we are in problems. So what we do? We have no other go. We go, switch on the TV, or we go to the theater, spend 3 hours of film, and we are back to life. So theater and film is an important aspect of every Indian's life. Early, there were plays, very long plays, and the form of technique and the duration of the plays have changed. Previously, the plays would go for 4 to 5 hours. And now, the plays have restricted to 1 hour or 2 hours, max to max 2 hours. The techniques have changed. Now there are modern backdrops. And the techniques and the duration has also changed. Previously, if you could see, there was black and white movies. This black and white movies, I would like to give an example of Raj Kapoor, your Sunil Dutt, your Mahmood, your Big B, Amitabh Bachchan. All they have worked in black and white movies. There were silent movies also. Later on, there was progress in the film. They succeeded. Now it is succeeded by colored movie or color film. The film shooting industries have now moved abroad. So the viewers can see many different places in the foreign countries. Yeah, we cannot spend money to move up to Switzerland or America or England. We can see it through our films. Previously, the movies were of 3 to 4 hours. Now the scenario has changed. Now there are short films, only of 1 or maybe 1.5 hours. The concept of one screen and one cinema has given way to multiplex now. Previously, one film would be there, and it would run for maybe 20 days, 40 days, maybe for a week. Now there is multiplex. At a time, we can find 5 films running at one place because it is multiplex. There are 5 screens. The days of movie running from 100 weeks in one cinema hall are over. Production of industries have now attained a status of industry. The industries now employ crores of people. There are a lot of people now who are dependent on film industry. It is very sad now there is Corona, and because of Corona, these people are unemployed. I would like to give an example. We have got all the Khans, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan. I would like to give an example. When they come to the shooting site or the shooting arena, after the shoot is over, they could go and they would speak to the people who are at the backdrop, who are with the flashlights. They would inquire about them, and if there is any problem, they would share money with them. So, my dear students, we could see that this theatre and films is an important aspect of Indian life. For us, it is an entertainment. There are certain people, it is livelihood. Now, newspaper. Now, newspaper is an integral part of our life. During the early post-independence period, newspaper was expected not only to give daily events, but also give impetus to industry and commerce by printing advertisements. Newspapers had several objectives like to shape public opinion, direct towards constructive work, time to lead. Earlier, newspaper was in black and white, now changing into color printing. It has become common. Newspapers have now become active. The scope has enlarged, including raising funds for drought affected and flood affected people, helping students of the lower income to get higher education and make cultural programs. This is how newspapers have now become an inseparable part of our life. Television. In earlier days, television was considered as an idiot box because people used to sit in front of, and they used to become a potato couch because they were always in front of the TV. Television came to India in the post-independence period. Earlier it was black and white, now it is colored. Earlier they were limited to some selected programs, fixed slots, like programs like news bulletins, educational programs. But now, from 1998, Star, satellite television, Asian region, Star, private medias have entered in India. Uninteresting, monotonous news telecasts of earlier period underwent a global change. The language and the technique of presentation of studios equipped with latest technology has expanded the Indian TV channel still further. This has connected the whole country. In short, the whole country started changing. Thank you, my dear students. मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप सबसे अनुरोध है कि इस वीडियो को देखें, लाइक करें, उसे पसंद करें और उसे सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे लोगों के साथ इसको बांटें. I request you, my dear students, to like this video, subscribe it, and also share it with others. Thank you. Thank you for your patient hearing.